Hello and welcome to Meshed Up. As you have already seen in the thumbnail, this is a first video for our playlist of design thinking and innovation. So without any further ado, let's get started. I believe that either you are from engineer background or art background. If you are from engineering background, then this course will be little bit easier for you. But if you are not from engineering background, then don't worry, I am here for you. Why it is important to learn about design thinking? Before knowing this, we need to know what is design thinking. Design thinking is a process in which we need to understand first the user, second challenge assumption, and third redefine problems in order to identify solutions. In simple words, design thinking revolves around a deep interest in developing an understanding of people for whom we are designing the product. Okay? Now, importance of design thinking and innovation. Let me take an example. Suppose I want to buy a pencil and I came across two types of pencil. First, mechanical pencil and second, normal pencil. Now let the cost of mechanical pencil be 10 bucks and the cost of normal pencil be 5 bucks and cost of sharpener be 5 bucks. So in our first case, mechanical pencil is of 10 bucks and normal pencil with sharpener is of 10 bucks. And let us assume that they both have awesome quality. Now, all of us have used both of this pencil once in our life. Let us talk about the disadvantage of mechanical pencil. Now, here you can see a mechanical pencil. And now, suppose if you lost its one nib, okay? Which means that this mechanical pencil is not more functionable. Okay? You have used this kind of pencil. So if you lost one of this nib, then the product lifetime is over, which is not in our normal pencil. That's why people prefer normal pencil than mechanical pencil. Okay, see, in this example, both mechanical pencil and normal pencil serve a same goal, but both have different disadvantages. Okay, so our goal is to make our product sustainable. Now, what do I mean by sustainable? In simple words, sustainable design means environmental conscious design. When I would have got environmental conscious design, the first thing that came in your mind will be that your product should not increase global warming or ozone layer depletion. That is not completely true. Even if your product is frustrating the customer or user, then also your product is not sustainable. Further in this course, I will tell you many points on how you can make your design sustainable, and to get clear understanding, we will go across various examples with exercises. So up to then, thank you and stay tuned.